Now I'm going to look at results on a real patient here rather than a dummy one, so I'm going to change the details on screen obviously so they can't be seen. The reason I'm doing this is to show you past results. If we go into requesting results on this patient, even though there's quite a lot in the EMIS record, we haven't requested any tests through this system, this online system from the practice, and so nothing is actually appearing. If you see at the bottom of the screen here, we can make that disappear if you want to, or we can look at all patient requests. There we go. The only thing that's coming up here is a facet joint injection, which was done at the hospital. So if I just exit out of this, you'll see if I go into this person's general result page, we've actually got quite a lot of results down there, but it may be that the hospital have done a whole load more things that we're not aware of, or that we don't like this particular interface. Now if we want to get into the labs database, then if I go into display groups at the top here, I'll hit G and go to online test requests, and now what I'm wanting is a patient report list. I go into there. It's a bit clunky to get to this page, but we then get a really nice interface appear from the hospital, a color-coded list of all of the requests and bits and pieces that have been asked for on this patient. So obviously you can see here that the green is biochemistry, red the hematology, and specialist requests down there in yellow. I can scroll through that. I can put a particular date for searching. I can print these things out. I can just go via speciality if I want. So if I go to hematology, then you'll see only red ones have appeared here because these are all hematology. Back to that original page. If I want to, then I can filter these, for instance, investigation. Then it's put that into alphabetical order for me. Now you can pick a particular result to look at, so the last ESR for instance, and it will give me that specific reading. I can look at the original report there if I want to, which is quite handy. Go to the full report if I want. Or something else that's particularly helpful is to go to cumulative. Okay, this is giving me the whole report. So if I just find the ESR, here we go, and click on there, then it's listed for me the dates of the previous ESRs, and if I want I can even go to a graph button there, so it will show me them, and these will show me back as long as they've got records of them, which, as I say, can be quite useful. Print that out or close it down. Of course, if it was something as simple as ESRs, then obviously you can just find them on the EMIS system, and that's we've got these going back even further than the hospital showed us, and again we can look at a graph on there as to what they are. But as I say, not everything is sent through to us that is tested in the hospitals.